next we have our VLTOYUSB. Unlike our other harnesses, this one actually doesn't plug into any of the factory plugs. It'll go into the back of the radio. So this end goes into the radio and this end will go to the VLine. And that's actually going to leave this connector disconnected. And this goes to the factory USB plug. So that'll be completely lost with this disconnected. We do sell this harness here, which is the VTOYUSB. And that actually plugs into this plug. And then now you've got a USB here that you can route to the VLine, and you can plug this in, and then your factory USB will actually work with the VLine. And next here we have our USB retention cable that comes with the VLine 2 kit. This is not included with the V-Lite kits, so make sure you purchase that if you do need it for a V-Lite. And since we have the retention back here, we're going to put the VLine in the glove box, so we want to extend this. So we'll just plug in our extension here, and then we're going to route this into the VLine.